At Action Industries, we offer a wide selection of brush seals to fit your weather seal needs. Standard brush seals are made from polypropylene filaments packed densely together to prevent airborne particulates from passing. These filaments are wrapped tightly around a metal rod and kept in place by a crimped piece of metal called a spine. These types of seals work well for entrances that need to keep debris, dust, and pests out, such as food processing plants. Flex brush. Flex brush is a premium seal which is made from polypropylene. The bristles are extruded directly into the spine, offering greater flexibility. Flex brush is sold by the foot or on a reel and can easily be transported from job to job. Weather block. Weather block is a premium weather seal. Set up like stick brush with the polypropylene filaments, the weather block brush seal features a vinyl insert in the middle to create an impenetrable seal. Weather block brush seals are perfect for food processing plants, fire doors, and much more. Zebra seal. Zebra brush seals are designed to be more vibrant and catch the eyes of workers around the seal. This brush seal comes in stick form and is also made of polypropylene. We are known for our weather seals, but we offer a whole lot more. We have every part for every door.